Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of I Will Teach You to Be Rich, where we break down the principles of personal finance and empower you to take control of your financial future. I'm Ramit Sethi, and today we're diving into Chapter 1 of the book, titled Optimize Your Credit Cards. In this chapter, we're going to turn the tables on credit cards, those plastic cards that often strike a fear into the hearts of many. You see, most people view credit cards as a path to debt and financial ruin, but today, I'm going to show you how they can become powerful tools on your journey to financial success. First, I want to introduce you to what I call the credit card game. This is a mindset shift where we view credit cards as tools that we can use strategically to our advantage. Imagine if every time you swiped your card, you earned something in return. That's what this game is all about. But before we jump into the game, we need to establish some ground rules. Here are the 4 key credit card rules you should always follow. Rule 1. Pay your credit card bills in full and on time. Carrying a balance is a big no-no. Rule 2. Use credit cards strategically to earn rewards, cash back, and other perks. Rule 3. Minimize fees. Be vigilant about annual fees and late payment charges. Rule 4. Automate payments. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. To help you navigate this world effectively, I've created the Credit Card Strategy Pyramid. It consists of 3 levels. Level 1, Basic Credit Card Strategy. Start with a no annual fee card and pay the balance in full each month. Level 2, Advanced Credit Card Strategy. Add cards with rewards programs tailored to your spending habits. Level 3, Dream Credit Card Strategy. These are high-level cards with incredible perks, but they come with higher annual fees. Now, let's talk about the fun part, rewards. Credit card rewards come in various forms, from cash back to points and miles. When used strategically, these rewards can add up to significant savings or even unforgettable experiences. Choosing the right credit card is crucial. You need to align the card's benefits with your lifestyle and goals. Think about your spending habits, whether you travel often, and your financial objectives when making your selection. I strongly encourage you to seize control of your credit card relationships. It's a financial move that can yield substantial benefits. Negotiating with credit card companies is a strategic approach that often goes unnoticed, but is highly effective in managing your financial affairs. By engaging in conversations with your credit card issuers, you open the door to various opportunities. You can negotiate for lower interest rates, which can significantly reduce the cost of carrying a balance. Additionally, you might explore the possibility of fee waivers, helping you avoid those pesky annual fees or late payment charges. Furthermore, negotiating with credit card companies allows you to secure better terms for your financial transactions. This means you can establish arrangements that align with your financial goals and preferences. As we conclude this chapter, let's take a moment to dispel some common credit card myths. These misconceptions often lead people astray and can have financial repercussions if followed blindly. For example, one pervasive myth is that closing a credit card account will inherently boost your credit score. The truth is more nuanced, and I'll delve into the intricacies in a future episode. Understanding these myths is crucial because they can impact your financial decisions. In this chapter, we've undergone a profound transformation in our perception of credit cards. We've shifted our perspective from viewing them as potential financial villains to recognizing them as powerful tools on your path to financial success. Credit cards, when used strategically and responsibly, can be instrumental in achieving your financial goals. The credit card game we discussed earlier is just the beginning of your financial journey. In our upcoming episode, we'll delve even deeper into the realm of personal finance. We'll explore topics that will empower you to make informed financial decisions and continue on your journey towards financial mastery. To ensure you don't miss a single episode, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay up to date with the latest insights and strategies that can help you live your rich life. Thank you for joining me on this enriching exploration of I Will Teach You to Be Rich. The knowledge we've shared in this episode is just the tip of the financial iceberg. If you found these insights valuable, I invite you to take a deeper dive into the concepts and strategies outlined in the book. By delving into the book, you'll unlock a treasure trove of wisdom that can transform your financial life. Your financial success is not a distant dream. It's well within your reach, and I'm genuinely excited to witness your journey toward thriving in every aspect of your life. I am Ramit Sethi, and I want you to know that I'll always be here to assist you whenever you're ready to continue your journey toward a richer life. Your financial transformation is a continuous process, and I'm committed to being your trusted guide every step of the way. As we part ways for now, I leave you with this important reminder. Take action. The knowledge you've gained today is powerful, but it's the actions you take that will truly shape your financial future. Stay focused on your goals, be intentional with your financial decisions, and embrace the mindset of living your rich life to the fullest. If you found this information valuable and you're eager to learn more, don't forget to show your support. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for a steady stream of insightful content, and hit that notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our book exploration series and continue to enrich your financial knowledge. I look forward to our future interactions, and I'm excited to explore more financial insights with you. Until next time, take inspired action, stay determined, and continue the journey toward living your rich life to its fullest potential. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next episode.